With over 2.9 billion monthly active users, Facebook still remains the #1 social media platform on the internet, despite being challenged heavily by fast-growing social media platforms such as TikTok. In late 2017, TikTok took the social media space by storm after the acquisition of Musical.ly. The growth of TikTok has been largely attributed to the simplicity and flexibility of its platform, which does not only communicate but engages and also entertains its users, bringing lots of fun on their platforms. And this has endeared their users to them and has driven lots of growth into this system. Facebook, in a bid to remain very competitive and remain dominant and relevant in the market space, has adopted what is already working for TikTok, Instagram Reel, and YouTube Shorts. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Facebook Reel in simple steps. Watch to the end so that you learn how to do it the right way. To create Facebook Reel on iPhone, you need to first launch the Facebook app, then scroll down to where you have Reels. Upon seeing that, you can see that under the Reels you have Creates on one side, the left hand side, and you have My Reels on the other side. If you want to check out the Reels you've already created, you can go to My Reels and check that up. But if you want to create a new Reel, you can just click on Create below the Reels. Then you have the choice of either using the camera, the music, or green screen to create your Reels. You also have the choice of using an already existing video or pictures in your gallery to do that. So if you want to do that, we can just scroll down, select the video we want to use. Then upon selection of that video, then we can add several other things like stickers. You can choose any of these stickers that you like. You must now. You can resize the sticker with two of your fingers. Then you can also have the choice of also choosing effects. There are different options you have here. Effects. So you can decide which of them. Just go through and see which of them that you find very lovely for the content you're creating. So for this, I'm going to use this. Then the next thing you can also do is to use the trim button. For the trim, you can trim anything. You can trim your video. You can say, okay, I want it to be shorter. I just want to use a part of this video. I don't want to use everything. I want to start from a particular point or end at a particular point. So you have the choice to choose that and say done. So the next thing you can also do is to add text. If you want to add text, you just click on the text button here. You can say welcome to my channel or whatever you want to type. So once that is done, for the text, you can also change the color. You have the option to change the color to whatever you like. There are different colors here which you can choose from. Let's stick to white. So you also have the choice to either position it to the left, right, or center. You can also choose to format the font to whatever style you find. Okay, so that is it. You can always resize tests in however format. So having done that, the next thing you can also do is to add audio. And for audio, you can choose any of the music from the different genres, or you can also search the one you like or you already had in mind. Assuming for this video, I want to use Amen by Timmy Dakolo. So I can always search Amen, and I have the music here. I can always add it.
Everything you put your hand, go walk. Everything you put your hand, go walk.
To next. The next thing you have here is share your reel. But before you share your reel, you can give a description to your reel. It's very important because it also affects the reach of your reel. So you can from here describe your reel. You can say fun time with besties. And if you like, you can add some hashtags, because your hashtag will help determine how far your video can go. You can say hashtag kids, hashtag fun time. I can just say fun or whatever I want to add. So I can just also put add reels. So just whatever you want to add, you can add it there. Then the next option you have is to choose who you want to see your reel. So if you click on public, you can now decide, okay, I want my friends to see my reel, or I want my friends except some certain persons to see my reels. So by the time you click on that, you can easily, let's say we're selecting friends, you can say done. Then we share the reel. To be showing you uploading on the right hand side, and after some minutes, you can now find it under your reels. While that is uploading, I want to also show you, in case you want to use a live video to create your reel, all you need to do is follow the same process up to this point where you have create. Upon clicking on create, you can now choose camera instead of selecting video like we did the other time. Upon selecting camera, you can still, every other thing remains the same. So you can choose to either use a green screen if you want to change your background. You can use a green screen to change your background. Either use the scenes that are already there, or you check a scene from your camera roll. So whatever you want to do, if you don't want that, you can just leave it normal if you don't want to use any of this. Then you can also add a timer, which gives you an option to make your video to start either 3 seconds or 10 seconds. So that you have time to prepare before the video starts rolling out. So as we say, we want it to start with 3 seconds countdown. We can also choose how long we want this to last, either 30 seconds, you can say 15 seconds, you can say 20 seconds, you can choose how long you want it to last, then you set. Now another thing is that you can add any effect you like. So once you have the effect, you can also decide on the speed, how you want it to be fast or you want it to be slow. However you want your reel to be, you can set that there. Then you also have the choice of choosing the background audio. You can either search through what you have existing that you want to scroll, or you want to use any of the genres. As I search for this. Done. So the music will be playing on the background once you start this. So once you're done with that, you can now click on this to start. Go to next. So here you describe what you want to do. You can say fun time. Then you add some hashtags if you want. You can say kids. You can say hashtag reels. You can say hashtag viral. Once you click on done, you can now click on share to publish. If you're an Android user, you can find the reel in 3 different places. So if you check here, you're going to see it here, or you can also access it by clicking these 3 lines. You can have your reels here, which you can also access also by scrolling down and getting to the same, similar to what you have with iPhone, but all the processes will be the same. You can try it out. This is just how to create a Facebook reel the right way, in short, easy steps. So if you find this video interesting, please kindly like and share this video. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our content that will be coming on this channel weekly. Thank you for coming around. Have a great day and see you in the next video.